The United Nations Human Rights Council on Friday expressed alarm over the reported threats upon human rights activist Babaloo Loitongbam and urged authorities to protect him. The UN Human Rights posted on X stating that they are alarmed by threats to human rights defender Babaloo Loitongbam by Manipur and around by Tengol groups in Manipur for speaking out on intercommunal violence since May. We urge authorities to protect him, his family and home and hold perpetrators accountable. The move came after miscreants vandalized a residential office of Babaloo Loitongbam at Kwakaithil Tiamlekai, Imphal West on Thursday evening. As per sources, around 30 persons in two gypsies came and entered at the residence of the human rights activist around 6 p.m. As per eyewitnesses, the locals of the area tried to stop the miscreants, but they overpowered the locals and locked the main gate from inside and started vandalizing the properties of Babaloo. It may be mentioned that Manipur has boycotted Thongnaujam Brinda and Babaloo Loitongbam from appearing on public platforms starting October 5 till ongoing conflict is resolved.